So I did a thing again and bought myself an iPhone. So hey, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I hope you stick around by hitting that subscribe button down below and ringing the bell to be notified of when I upload, which is every single week. So let's get on to today's video. As you can probably tell by the title, today's video is an iPhone 11 unboxing slash first impressions slash setup slash review. So I have just bought a iPhone 11, so this is the white one. It's the 64GB one. So as you can tell, the plug is on the top because I live in Ireland, so I have the UK plug and I don't know why it's not in the box. It's pretty weird, but yeah, I just got this today, so I cannot wait to unbox it. And I have ordered some bits on Amazon for it, like a case and a screen protector and things like that, so they should arrive in the next couple of days. But I am dying to get into this bad boy, so let's just jump right in. Before this bit, I'm just going to use my scissors to cut off the plastic. And there is the iPhone in all its glory, so I'm just going to rip into this because I am dying to play around with this. So I currently have the iPhone 7 Plus in rose gold, so I decided it was time for an upgrade and I wanted to treat myself to an iPhone 11. I haven't had a brand new iPhone in, I'd say, 5 or 6 years, so I was definitely due an upgrade. My iPhone 7 Plus I actually bought refurbished, so it wasn't actually brand new when I bought it, and I have it nearly 2 years, so it's time to upgrade. So like with my MacBook unboxing, if you haven't seen it, I'll have it linked up in the cards above, but Apple have started adding the little tabs onto their packages to make it a little bit more easy to open. So yeah, I decided I'd do another unboxing on an Apple product because I love watching these videos, like they're so interesting for me, and my MacBook one did quite well. So again, it'll be linked in the cards above and also in the description box. So let's just jump right in. So for all you ASMR fans, and there you have the phone. Like I said, it's the 64GB one and it's the white one. So the writing is in silver and the Apple logo is in silver. I wanted the purple one, like I really wanted the purple one, but they sold the last one just before I got into the store. So I went with the white. But let's open it. And there you have the phone. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm pretty sure it's slightly smaller than the iPhone 7 Plus, which is fine because I dropped my iPhone 7 Plus about 50 million times, so at least it'll be a little bit smaller and easier for me to hold. So I am just going to take the phone out. Again, another little tab here to lift the phone securely out. So that is what the phone looks like, and I am getting fingerprints all over it. It is so fucking hot here in Ireland at the minute. It's like 25 degrees Celsius or something mad like that, but it's really hot, and someone's out mowing their lawn, so I have my window closed, so I'm boiling in this room and my fingerprints are like transferring all over the phone. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Let's go through what comes in the box. So this is the inside of the box. You have the Designed by Apple in California little leaflet box that houses all your instruction manuals and your Apple stickers. So I got these with my MacBook as well, but I got rose gold ones because that's the colour of the MacBook I went for. But with all iPhones, they're just the plain white ones. Does anyone even use the stickers? I don't even know. I don't. So that is all your instructions and things like that come in the phone. So then this is what the iPhone box looks like. So the reason why my plug was on the top of the box is because it actually comes with the American plug, which is kind of handy for traveling and things like that. Like that's really clever. So that is the little plug. Then you have your earphones, which actually look like AirPods, but the cable is just hidden in the back. So those are the headphones, and I actually don't have proper Apple headphones, so that's great. And then the last thing in the box is obviously your charging cable. So that's everything that was in the box. So now we are going to power this baby up and get it set up. And there she is on. Oh, there's nothing better than getting a brand new phone. I love the feeling of a new phone. Like, there's nothing actually wrong with my phone. I just wanted to upgrade. We're onto the basic setup. So I'm just going to swipe up, select English. I am in Ireland, so we're setting that up. So I'm just going to quickly read through the quick start. So the quick setup is telling me to bring my old iPhone to the new phone. So I film on my iPhone, so I'm going to actually have to skip this part so that I can do that. But I'll be right back once I'm on to the next stage. So the next thing it's asking me to do is just to set up Face ID. I have never had Face ID before. Like I said, I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so I still have Touch ID. So this is going to be interesting to try. So let's set this up. So my Face ID is now set up. So the next thing is apps and data. If I want to restore from iCloud backup, which I am going to do. So my iPhone just backed up last night, so I am going to set that up and just enter my Apple ID. I always forget my Apple password, so I'm hoping that I have it right. But let's just try it. This is what I think it is. Hope you can see everything okay. I keep moving the camera angle, sorry. Terms and conditions, no one reads that, so we're just going to skip past. And now it's just going to take a few minutes to set up my Apple ID. Let me know down in the comments below if you have an iPhone 11, and if you do, what color do you have? So now that it's backed up, it's just asking me to turn on my location services, but I'm going to enable that later because there's certain apps I don't like my location being on, so it is just loading. Then we are on to Apple Pay. Again, I'm going to set that up later. iCloud keychain is the next thing, so I'm setting that up. So now I'm going to just quickly set up Siri. So True Tone display. So hopefully you guys can see that I have True Tone display on my MacBook. I really like how it adapts to different lighting. So this is with True Tone on, and that's without. So there's not much difference because it's actually quite bright out, but I am going to turn that on. And then we also have a software update, so we're going to do that. I actually just got this notification on my MacBook as well, so I just updated the software on that. One little feature that I actually love about the iPhone 11 is how the time is in one corner and your Wi-Fi and your battery is in the other. I think that's really cute rather than having it in the middle. So now it's just going through how to use the phone. So like I said, I still have a home button on my phone, so it's going to take me a little while to get used to this. But to go home, you swipe up from the bottom edge at any time to go home. Then to switch between apps, swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Quickly access controls by swiping down from the top right edge. To open control center, press and hold a control to reveal more options. And welcome to iPhone. Everything transferred over. Like I said, I backed up my phone, so everything has switched over. All my apps are downloading and everything like that, which is great. So I have all my photos and everything, so like my background is the exact same as on my current phone. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified of when I upload, which is every single week. And if you like these kind of unboxing videos, let me know down in the comments below, and I will definitely purchase more products to unbox with you guys. So that is it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will chat to you in my next. Bye!